United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 15, delimitation of the territorial sea between states with opposite or adjacent coasts, where the coasts of two states are opposite or adjacent to each other, neither of the two states is entitled, failing agreement between them to the contrary, to extend its territorial sea beyond the median line, every point of which is equidistant from the nearest points on the baselines from which the breadth of the territorial seas of each of the two states is measured. The above provision does not apply, however, where it is necessary, by reason of historic title or other special circumstances, to delimit the territorial seas of the two states in a way which is at variance therewith.